So many people hurriedly created an account on TikTok without taking note of some important information they use while creating their account. For instance, their exact age or the date of birth. Now, when it gets to the time of monetization, you discover that their identity verification always gets rejected simply because the age that appears on their TikTok account is quite different from the one that appears on their ID. That's a document that's submitted for their age verification. So if you're one of them, then this video is simply for you, because I'll be showing you how to know your age on TikTok in case you've forgotten the age and you want to ensure that what's on your TikTok account is actually the same as what appears in the identity verification you'll be supplying to the TikTok team to verify your account. So I'll be showing you how to know your age on TikTok, and possibly you can request for an edit so that the age on your TikTok account will actually match with those on your ID. Coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, you can simply subscribe to my YouTube channel if you need more tutorial videos just like this, because this is actually a tutorial based channel all related to technology. I give you tutorials on the daily, so hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next video just like this. So you can also go to the comment section and tell me the next tutorial video you want me to upload right here on this YouTube channel. So having done that, let's jump to my mobile view where I'll show you how you can actually know your age on TikTok and possibly request for an update so that it will match that with that on your ID. So now let's jump to my mobile view. Let me show you how.
So if you want to know your age on TikTok, just follow these steps. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your TikTok profile page, then you tap the hamburger icon at the top right or the menu icon. Then this will pop up. Now you navigate to settings and privacy. So once you're on settings and privacy, the next thing you have to do is to tap on accounts, which is the first you see in the row. Now once you're here, the next thing you have to do is to click on download your data, which is just after the TikTok shop for seller. Click on download your data and a page like this will pop up. So as you can see, the information there says you can request a copy of your data at any time to back up your account or export it to other services. So the information you are eligible to download, it says that your file can include things like your account info and settings, your post on TikTok, your activities such as like, comments, favorites and watch history, and your direct messages. So the first place where you can easily find your data is your account information and settings. So now to download your account information and settings, so this file format is to, as you can see, originally it is on TXT, which is text file, which most Word application can easily open. So but you can easily also change the file formats to JSON. So it has two options. You can select the file format TXT or JSON. So I'll always advise you to leave it on TXT. So once you're done, you now tap on the request data button, which is the red button below. So once you tap on it, automatically you have the access to the information on your device, and all devices, both Android and iPhone, can easily open text file. So in that text file, you see the exact date of birth you use while opening or creating your TikTok account or your age on TikTok. So that's the steps of which you can follow if you want to know your age on TikTok. So stick to this page or channel for next tutorial video. Bye bye for now.